Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video I'm going to discuss about the scanner which we have created yesterday, and also the buying side. We already created a scanner and I have updated that in my Telegram channel. So today we have find some two stocks, for one is sell and another one is buy. So what the logic we are using about the scanners and screeners, and how we can do the trade based on the scanners and screeners, that we are going to discuss in this video now. And let's say this is what an intraday scalper buy, what I am using, the 1 day ago open equals to 1 day ago high. So what I'm using, so yesterday, that means 1 day ago, that yesterday um, open price equal to high price, that is open high, and the market has fallen down yesterday. And today if the stock is crossed above the yesterday's high, that is what the main condition where I'm using to find out some trading opportunity. So yesterday should be the open high candle and it may be fallen down somewhere, and today if the stock is crossing above the previous day high, should we try for a buy opportunity. That is what the conditions which I used on that particular scanners. And previous one which I used for bullish one, that previous day candle should be open low, right? The yesterday the candle should be open low, and today the candle which is the today's close is breaking below the low of yesterday, that we are going to focus for a selling opportunity. This one we can use for either a bullish way or a bearish way, and long term, short term. So mostly I'm going to use for a scalping kind of trade. If any point of the time, if the price is triggered, I'm going to make a trade opportunities on that particular stock. So for an intraday, sometimes it can take a positional also, but as per your trading method, whether you are doing an intraday trade or you are doing a positional trade, so based on that you can select a time frame, how long you are going to hold. So if you are intraday, whatever the closing price, you can exit from the day itself. If you are planning for a positional trade, you can run your position. So let me try it. So two kind of stocks we got it, one for a buy and another one for a sell. So let's see what happened on that particular stocks. What are the stocks which we got it, and lot of stocks where we got alert, that is a high momentum stock. Meanwhile we get intraday scalper sell that I mentioned, and this alert will be updated based on the scanner. The one is ABFRL at 952. The price is 225.10. And the second stock we got for a alert is Britannia. It is for an intraday scalper buy. This was happening around 1 o'clock 3 minutes. So let's see these two stocks. What happened on the stock? So I have using two scanners. I have already shared you the scanner. So intraday buy scalper, scalper buy, and intraday scalper sell. These are the scanners, right? And before that, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. And let's see this ABFRL yesterday open low is 225.20. Exactly yesterday's low is 225.20, and today it broken the low around 952. That is what the scanner which you alerted on our Telegram channel. Let's say at 952 the stock was breaching that previous day low around 225.10. So that was happening 952. After that the market fallen down and again recovered back, and end of the day it is closed by 226.70. So this is the key and clue, the stock is going to move down based on the previous day price. And let's see on a 5-minute chart, and it was a highly volatile, went up, went down. So the initial stage at 952, this is what the entry point where we are going to get it at this point at 952. This is a 5-minute chart, 952, 955. At this time only we get the signal triggered. So exactly that point where we got a signal triggered at this point, right? So immediately when the signal is triggered, market is moving down to 223.85. So where we get a signal alert around 225.10 and it fallen down to 223.85. This is what the quick scalping, almost 1.2 rupees, where it is generated as a scalping profit. And then after this, even if you are not able to do the trade at this point, immediately where we have sold at this point, where to make the stop loss. So simply we can keep the day high as a stop loss, and also the day high is a today equal to open high. So after that it went higher somewhat, but after that it is a narrow, and then it is fallen big around 221. So from our sell entry point of 225.10, it fallen down to 221, almost 4 rupees it generated as a profit. If you compare this selling entry to your high entry, is around 230 something. So 5 rupees risk, where it is generated 4 rupees. Nearby the closing hours, it was started recovering very fast. But this was a highly profitable trade. When you are playing with the options also, it will give you some good profit, while if you are focusing for option kind of trade, that will working well. That is the concept where I am using. And the second stock one is Britannia. So let me say that Britannia is not a good liquid stock, but even though we will check out what happened in Britannia. So in daily time frame, first of all we'll check. So this was yesterday, it is an open high around 3390.4 is the exact open high yesterday. And today market even opened gap lower and started moving higher side. It was started by 3300, but it started moving higher. But at the time of 1 o'clock 3 minutes, where the high is broken, but after the high is broken of 3390.40, and it gives you just 10 rupees. But end of the day it was closed by 3378. So if you are taking this position, it may give you a 10 rupees and ending with the 10 rupees. But if you are keeping the stop loss around 3270, that does mean the day low, so it is having high risk, in near about 100-point risk we are going to take. So if that risk is suitable to you, you can play the trade, or else you can simply avoid if any stock which is having a big stop losses, right? If any stocks having a big stop losses, you can avoid. If that stop loss is suitable to you, that kind of stock only you can place orders. Other than otherwise, don't go for a trade. Okay, so this is what the concept where we are going to play. So previous day should be the high, open high will give you such a, say, same like that. Here you can see this is not an exact open high, that 3583 and 3583.35. So not an exact open high. What I'm planning for that, will say this is the open high, let's assume. So the next day is broken, but this was a stop loss, and the next day it is moving very big. So such a kind of movement we are expecting from this kind of trade opportunity. That is why we are created the two scanners, will help you to find out such a good trade opportunity. And I'm sharing you that on my Telegram channel. You can get it on real time, so without watching the scanner. So what the scanner is, and from the scanner what are the stock which is filter out, that will be automatically updated on my Telegram channel. So make use of it. The link for my joining Telegram channel will be updated on the description. You can find out and join with my Telegram channel. So and the same thing will work in intraday also, scalping. But how? So let's say for example what the stock ABFRL, how many trade opportunity in 15 minutes or 30 minutes, whatever, today. So let I show you, but it was not happening every time, but it's just kind of scalping kind of trade, right? So this is happening 17th, now we are in 20th. So let me try it out on 20th June. Here this candle is near about open high on a 15 minutes time frame. I'm talking about 15 minutes time frame. Here it is this particular point, the market was open equal to high, this particular candle, and market is slightly down and it again went up. Once it is broken, that was giving you such a small amount of money. That is a scalping, quick. So 228.5, here 229.65, almost 1 rupee to given you at this point once the high is broken. Again, this was a open low. Yes, this was a open low, but not even broke that low. But at the time of 224.8, this is broken at this point, and immediately it fallen down from 224.8 to 221.4. Another trade opportunity, even using a 15 minutes time frame. This one and second. The third one where you can see there is a open high at 227.8. That's a key point. On the next candle itself it broken and it moves towards 229.4 from 227.8. So another trade opportunity, right? And next one would be this one is the open low, again 226.35. So where their low is broken at this point, again there is a, so this concept we are using for a daily basis, and intraday basis also it will work. And again there is another opportunity. So this candle high is exactly around 225.70. So almost 3-4 opportunities in a day, the particular stock alone. So this concept which I'm using for a daily basis, that was giving you some profit. If you want to make any custom scanner of charting that we are creating for you with the minimum charge, if you want a charting scanners, you whatever the logic you have, we can create a charting scanner. So you can make use of it with a minimum charge. I can create a, and there is another opportunity. So 4-5, even if you check any other stocks like today the big fall in VEDL, so check it out, just keep on going down, right? So we didn't get any opportunity in this one. Beginning itself it has started falling down. No opportunity. So even that kind of time frame, smaller time frame, will help you to find out smaller trade opportunity. There is no open low candle, right? If you find out anywhere that kind of candlesticks pattern will help you to make some small intraday profit using the scanners and screeners. But I just now I created the scanner for a daily basis and make use of it. So only few stocks will be came and it will give you. But even if you are going to backtest this one, so previous day whatever the stocks, so few days back, that is around 14th of this month, so a lot of stock, Britannia, Adani Enterprise, Havels, same Britannia also will be there in the same kind of group, Britannia. Check it out on daily basis. This was happening on 14th. Maybe we are going to check on 13th. Use daily date in 6. Sorry, it's not a Britannia, but a India. The opportunity here 13th it is an open high. Next day it broke and that high is around 1719.90, almost 1720. Next day it went up to 1743. Once the high is broken, it will give you opportunity. The day itself, Adani and Havels, the 13th, maybe this, and next day it is open even higher about the level, so we don't have any opportunity on that particular one, so we didn't get any opportunity for that Adani end. So lot of stock Havels. See this one Havels, high is 1109.70. Next day it has made a 112.90, almost somewhere around 12-13 points it was giving you. So the concept is very simple. You are going to buy when the high is open high, previous day open high is broken. So we are going to sell when the previous day open low is broken today. So that is the concept which you are using the scanners and screeners to find out such a kind of stuff. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.